Hey guys, my name is Shaurya and this is my second demo video. So if you guys remember, I was working on smaller tracking branches, which is essentially when you compute a diff on RBTools, like whenever you do RBT post, you need to know the upstream branch that the diff is built against, and my project had to do with finding this upstream branch in an automated fashion. So the last time I showed you a demo, I had integrated the algorithm into my code. So as you can see, I altered the parse revision spec function. Since then, in terms of code, I've changed the logic a little bit and done a lot more documentation. Like you can see this huge doc string which I've changed. Um, as far as testing goes, last time I just began testing, I had I think just one or two tests. Um, I since then I have expanded my test to cover a lot more cases. So if you see, initially I had just this test about finding the parent and a couple of cases. Now I have cases all the way going from 1 through 9, so that's like 10 pretty big test cases overall. Let me just scroll through them real quick. So that's 2, no, that's 3, goes all the way up to 9. So I'm just gonna run these tests and hopefully everything should work. So let me just clear the screen. And when I run the tests, everything should work fine. All the tests pass, which means my logic hasn't broken anything that exists. And like just scrolling up to the tests themselves, yeah, there you go. So all the tests from 66 through 173 are the 10 tests that I've written, and all of them pass. The current status of my project is that I am trying to get these tests reviewed by the mentors. As you can see, I have a pretty detailed review request going, and there has been some back and forth, but I'd really like a lot more feedback from the mentors. And yeah, that's the diff of my change. In the coming few weeks, I plan to make sure that these tests are actually testing what they should, and see how we go from there.